Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to check when your Amazon Prime membership renews. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have purchased Amazon Prime for the year, or maybe they've purchased it for the month, and then they basically just want to see when their Prime membership renews. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, and so let's go ahead and get started. Now before we begin, make sure that your Amazon application is up to date. So go into the App Store or Google Play Store and then make sure that it's up to date. Next, we're going to click on the application, and then once you reach this home page that looks like this, you want to click on the bottom hand side, this person that looks like an icon. So once you're on this page here, you're going to see this prompt or button that says your account. So let's go ahead and click on your account. And then from here, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this button that says Manage Prime Membership. So it's located above Content Library and below one-click settings. Now from this option, you're going to see this drop-down toggle menu that says Manage Membership. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to see your renewal date. So my renewal date is July 30th, 2025. This is the best and easiest way that I've seen to actually go ahead and see what your renewal date is for your Prime membership. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all